Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu using graham crackers. This delightful Italian dessert, traditionally made with ladyfingers, gets a wonderful twist with the use of crisp graham crackers. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the creamy mascarpone filling to assembling and chilling your masterpiece. Get ready to create a truly delicious and surprisingly simple treat that everyone will adore. Now let's create the heart of our tiramisu, the luscious mascarpone cream. You'll start by whisking 3 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, carefully fold in 1 pound of creamy mascarpone cheese. Finally, incorporate 2 stiffly beaten egg whites to achieve that airy, irresistible texture. This rich, velvety cream is what makes tiramisu so incredibly special. With our cream ready, it's time for assembly. First, prepare 1 1/2 cups of strong, cooled coffee. You can add a splash of coffee liqueur for extra flavor. Quickly dip each graham cracker into the coffee, just enough to moisten without making it soggy. Then, arrange a layer of these dipped crackers in a 9 by 13-inch dish, followed by a generous layer of the mascarpone cream. Repeat these layers until your dish is full. The final, crucial step is chilling. Place your assembled tiramisu in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows all the wonderful flavors to fully develop and the layers to set perfectly, ensuring a firm, sliceable dessert. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic, elegant presentation. Enjoy your homemade graham cracker tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.